This is it, the moment we've all been waiting for. The 2026 Koenigsegg Jesko, ready to redefine performance. You think you know speed. You think you know luxury.
But I promise you,
This car holds a secret, a feature never before seen in a hypercar.
ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've all been waiting for. We are incredibly proud to present the new Koenigsegg Jesko.
Aerodynamic precision. This is the Koenigsegg Jesko, and the first thing you notice is just how aggressive the aerodynamics are.
Designed for speed, the Jesko's aerodynamic sculpting cuts through the air, while the LED lights pierce the darkness.
This is where the magic happens. The engineering on the Jesko, the aerodynamics of this massive wing and the carbon fiber work.
As it settles onto the stage, you can truly appreciate the aerodynamics. That rear wing isn't just for show, it's integral to the Jesko's performance.
Every line, every curve of this 2026 Jesko is designed to redefine performance engineering. And there's one secret feature I know you're waiting for. Behold the Koenigsegg Jesko. The engineering masterpiece begins right here with the revolutionary dihedral synchro helix door.
The engineering here is simply unmatched. Every button, every display is designed to keep your focus entirely on the drive.
The Jesko's steering wheel features integrated controls and a revolutionary digital cluster that always stays level.
Walking around the Jesko, you appreciate the aerodynamics. But let's talk about this engine, a marvel of Swedish engineering.
This isn't just a hypercar, it's a statement of ultimate speed and power. And while the numbers are staggering, there's one innovation back here that changes everything.
The engineering philosophy behind the Jesko is pure airflow management. Every curve is designed for maximum downforce and precision at speed.
The Jesko's 5-liter twin-turbo V8 is an engineering marvel, capable of producing over 1,600 horsepower.
This isn't just about raw power, it's how the Jesko delivers it. The 9-speed light-speed transmission,
You think you know hypercars. You think you know Koenigsegg. But the feature we're about to reveal changes everything.
the engineering behind this hypercar is revolutionary. The computational fluid dynamics that shape these air intakes.
This isn't just a car, it's a statement. The Jesko's aerodynamics are unlike anything else on the road, providing incredible downforce.
The true innovation here lies deeper than just speed. And speaking of anticipation, let's not forget the mystery feature we teased earlier.
While the Jesko is known for its aerodynamics, we're about to show you a hidden feature that pushes the boundaries even further. This hypercar contains a technology that changes the future of performance driving.
A revolutionary feature is the hypercar's advanced multi-clutch transmission system designed for extreme performance. The secret to the Jesko's performance lies here in the revolutionary multi-clutch transmission system. The Jesko is more than just a hypercar. It is a statement of intent, a relentless pursuit of automotive perfection. That concludes our look at the incredible Koenigsegg Jesko. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more exclusive hypercar reviews.